Good day, wizards, and welcome to today's lesson, The World of Books. In this lesson, we will focus on listen to a diary extract, adverbs and one-word phrases, and also write diary extracts. Let's first begin with the world of books. Have you ever wondered why we know so much about people who lived long ago? It's because they kept diaries or journals in which they wrote down their personal experiences and observations. 1. Why do people keep diaries? 2. What kinds of things would you write in a diary? 3. Whose diary do you think would be very interesting to read? And lastly, do you keep a diary? Let's look at adverbs: manner, place, frequency, time, and degrees. Adverbs tell us more about verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Adverbs of manner tell us how something happens. Example, she moved slowly. David spoke softly. Adverbs of place tell us where something happens. For example, she has lived on the island all her life. She still lives there now. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. Example, she takes the boat to the mainland every day. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. For example, she tries to get back before dark. She left early. Adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action. Example, the weather was extremely cold. Now, wizards, we have the following activity for you to complete. Underline the adverbs in the following sentence. Number 1, Nikki left her diary under the pillow. 2, she writes in her diary every night. 3, she thinks carefully about what she will write. 4, Nikki often visits her grandpa George. And lastly, number 5, her mother expects her to be home before supper. Now, wizards, keep a diary for a week. Each day, write something different. You can write anything that you like. A diary is your own personal tool to help you record your memories and feelings. Following the steps below. Step 1, plan. Plan what you are going to write about. It could be things that happen at home or at school. 2, draft. Write a rough draft of your diary entries in which you write down your main thoughts and ideas. Aim to write about 50 words. Give your draft to someone else to read. And number 3, refine. Edit your writing to check for errors. Use feedback about your rough draft. Write out your entries neatly, hand in to your teacher.